Lovely. They're all happy. He wants more food by where he's... Yo, you've got some left. You're not having any at this time. You got enough stuff if you pay with the treat maze. You've been eating out the bottom bit again. Is there a bit there's no toys? You must have everything you want now. You got more toys in the drawer downstairs. Oh, baby girl. How's my princess? No, I don't want to do it. You just want to sing. I'm not singing at this time. It's probably 7 in the morning. If it's not, it's at least 6:30. It's 8:30. Bloody hell. You singing? Oh. No. Buggery. Oh shit, I can't fucking... Oh, that's 3 swear words in a row. Look at this, waiting by his bowl when there's still food in it. He just don't want to eat from when it was nearly empty last time I come up. You've not got much. You could have that half a pouch that Daddy left earlier, and I give him a full one last time. Is that what you're making all the noise for? Because you're not having music now. Oh no! What's that for, you twat? You definitely want the vet now. Tub? Are you really not in... That's better. Can I have both paws? Both paws? No, you're not in the mood for anything. You won't do it at all. I was lucky to get that, wasn't I? Oh, poor baby. You weren't one of love, I think. No, because you won't shut up when I'm touching you. See, you're munching, you little shit. Oh, you still... Ah, look at his face. He was eating a second ago. What have we got? Now it's on its back. No. Where? What you do with them that they're gone? Where you been hiding them? There's no gap there. There should be a lot more food about than what's in there. How have you got it out when it's laid on its back? I've had enough of this. I'm going to start keeping it in that cupboard. Apart from what I can keep in the treats in and what's in that drawer there, the second one down. Oh, I'll show that off. It's only 4 minutes, something. There for a Monday treat. There should be, yeah, there's 3 of them. That's catnip that come with some other toy or other. We had 3 of them. You've used one up, and I don't know if we've given one away. I'll put it in a drawer. What's that? That's had some sort of biscuit or treats in. Some treat stick. No, just the one. No, there's 2 individual ones. There ain't enough to give everyone a treat stick, and everyone's in here, so it's not fair. No, you can't have a treat stick just because the door's open. You're just being noisy for the sake of it, silly girl. It's over 5 minutes now, so I think you've made enough noise. You've been told what a voice. No, you're just gonna, you're right. You're going to the vet on Pip Week.